Welcome to my YouTube channel Online Success Worldwide. We teach you how to be successful at network marketing and affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world. If you are interested in this topic, press the subscribe button below. Do you want 5 days of social posting secrets? Today, we are starting a Facebook challenge. Ever notice that you keep hearing that social media is where it's at for leads and recruits, but nobody is showing you how to create the posts that attract people to us? At least until now. There's a 5-day posting for profits challenge starting today that you should be a part of if you want to turn your Facebook profile into a lead and recruiting machine. The awesome lady who's running the show used exactly what she's teaching to go from 0 to 6 figures in less than a year. With 0 paid ads. And this week she's going to show you how to do it as well for 5 days, at 0 cost. You can join the 5-day Posting for Profit challenge here. Ingrid Paul. MLSP Live. Org. Here's what you'll find out each day this week. Today, how to optimize your profile to position you as the authority, even if you're brand new. Tomorrow, how to create effective lifestyle posts to get people begging you to join your team. Day 3, how to create product posts without being spammy that get people asking about your products. Day 4, how to create business posts that get people messaging you about your opportunity. Day 5, how to create story posts that build trust and inspire prospects to want to buy from you. Plus a free PDF planner and 6-step daily method of operation to get leads on social every day with 0 ad spend. If you've been waiting for someone to finally spill the beans on how they created their 6-figure business, she's doing exactly that starting today. Get in now. http://ingridpaul.mlsplive.org. Remember to press the subscribe button below to learn more about how to be successful at network marketing and affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video.